Hello everyone, in this short video I'm going to show how to create data model diagram using MySQL Workbench. So once you launch your MySQL Workbench, you need to click on this icon here on the left. You click it here and then you click on the plus sign here in models. You need to add a model. So once you are here, you need to change the database name here. Let's say test, and then you close it, scroll up a little bit, and you see add diagram. Double click on it. So once you are here in this page, you have a lot of icons on the menu bar on the left here. You have this icon, it looks like a table. So once you click on it and you click here in the middle, you can create a table. Let's say this table, I'm giving double click on it, and you need to change the name here. Click here and change the name, let's say department. And of course, if you don't want to add the column name in this table, just at least add the first column, which is the primary key. Otherwise, you cannot do any connection with other table if you don't create the first column, which is primary key. And then you can add more column here. Let's say department name. Okay, so I will add two column only. Then you close just let me and then you click on to next table here, and I'm gonna call it customer table. Okay, and you add customer ID here. Click on PK and NN. You can add more customer column. Let's say name. Okay, so it's varchar. And once you are done here, now I'm going to do the connection. So based on what type of diagram or data model diagram you want to create. So in order to see what kind of model you can have in this diagram, you need to click on model here and then scroll down to relation notation. You can have crowsfoot, we have UML, and we have relation model, which is called connect to column. So this is the default one. If this will create a relation model diagram. So I assume here that in one department we have many customers. So I'm going to create a relationship between department and customer tables 1 to m. So the relation type symbol are found here in the left benumar, vertical benumar here. You click on 1 to n. So because the side of the customer has many customers, department has many customers, so I click on first on customer and then click here. So here we have 1 to m. So this is called relation model. 1, you see here we have 1 and infinity. This represents relation model. Now if you want to change, okay, if you want to change the type of this model, again you go to model here, go to relation model, and you change it. For example, I'm gonna change it to crowsfoot. Now I have the crowsfoot model here. If you want to change it to UML, again you need to go to relation model and use UML. So we have UML. Now once you finish creation the table and connection, do the connection between them. Now you need to export it to a PNG picture. So you click on file, go to export, and save it as PNG. Again here, go to file, go to export, and save it as PNG. So now you can have it, let's say, test diagram. You can save it wherever you want in document. You can have it in anywhere you would like to have it. You save it. Now we already save it. So this is just a brief video how to create a model data model diagram. And also if you want to change it to another model, again you go to Crowfoot, for example, and create Crowfoot, and then you can change it or export it to PNG. Let's say crows food. Okay, so this is another type of model. And again, if you want to have UML model, just you need to click here on model and change the relationship notation. Now we have UML model, so you can save it as PNG here. So I'm going to save it UML. All right. So this is just briefly how to create the data model diagram with different notation. And thank you so much.